All right. So, So that's what we think is gonna continue happening. All right. So you know that our trails are so strong. Imagine when the freeloaders on YouTube watch the videos and say, "Oh my God, I can't believe Capi was gonna say that," and it is. Yes. This guy is a straight shooter, man. This guy, is anyway. So you know, right, that our strong are so strong that just because our 16 is the trail for for the continuation to 72, right? That doesn't mean that if the price goes to 16, we're gonna get out, right? That's stupid, right? At 16 is totally gonna hold, and we're gonna and for the price to go to 16, what does it need to do first? We need to go back to '05 to the last. Let me go ahead and right. He has to go to. Okay, hold on a second. He has to go here. All right. He has to go to 5. Alrighty. So long story short, this move already began at 33. Right. Price right now is 200. Right. So so it is what it is, right? Okay. Is that 205 to the tick, mistake?
Yes.
205 to that tick, right? Alrighty then. So this this move up, right? That goes exactly to our, because we believe the price is going to continue going to 72 since 9 a.m. for the past 24 minutes, right? And I told you exactly what the first resistance is right here. '05. Price goes to our '05 to the tick, and those of us who want to take this trade all the way to 72, that's our entry right there. Right? Look, razor sharp entry, no heat at all whatsoever, right? Of course, you're not gonna get filled 205 to the tick. You have to, you have to get in. You have to have conviction. No conviction. Now, what time it is right now? 9:25. 5 minutes to open. Do you think it's possible that at the open the price jumps up to 205, destroys 205, and go in one straight line all the way to 16? What do you think? Could that be?
Absolutely.
That's what we have to. However, remember that we are all about the future. We just happen to think that the price is gonna continue going down. Alrighty then, and that's so. So we have target, we have entries, we have management. We know what the trail is. We know when the trade is gonna be invalidated. We know the entire scenario, which is the only way to trade successfully. There is no other way. We know exactly at what point we no longer after the after 72, and then we change hats, back to the drawing board, and see what the market is up to. It's always up to something. Our job is to figure it out. All right. So here's the open, just like we were saying it, right? And we know that the trail for that 72, which is in the back burner now, right? A clean break of 16 is a change of hat. 16 with non-16 since way before 9 a.m., right? This is the weak resistance, the first one. It was good for 7 points. '05, it went all the way to 98. The stop break even, start trailing. The open comes, and we totally know completely that everything I told you, right? So this clean break of '05 weakens the trip to 72. Of course, it's above '05, right? Oh, okay, but we still of the thought and mentality that 16 As long as it's not broken, it is going to continue all the way to 72. So what's the price do you think it's going to do now? It's going to hang around here. 05, 06, it's going to dance around it. However, this taking of 05 weakens the trip to 72. It's in the back burner right now. And now what we have to pay attention is to the 16, right? It is still resistance, so it's still a short, right? And this is all area of resistance, right? Remember that the smart money wants to take it up before it's going to take it down. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we just had a new rotation. And this new rotation is telling our system that there is a bullish, hidden move. So, right here, right now, 05, 16, these 11 points are extremely dangerous. Why? Price is above 05, so that makes the bulls in control, number one. And number two, to be long, is that there is a bullish hidden move. There is a phantom uptrend. So the possibilities that the price is going to break 16 are getting higher. A break of 16, my friends, this is going to 20 and 27. Here it is, 27, 20, by 27 by way of 20, right? So, what's going on right now? Bulls in control above 05, right? And the bearish trip to 72, it's weakening. It's not invalidated, but it's weakening. The same thing that happens every single day, right? And then we have confirmation, break of 16, then we know that this long right here is the one in control, in command of the action. Just like I told you at 9 a.m., 15, this 15 right here is a total key level. As long as the price doesn't take it, we're going down, baby, to 72. It took a 5, it's getting weaker, right? And then price needs to destroy 16 to go to 27 by way of 20. And we don't know if it's going to go all the way to 33 yet. We don't know that yet, but it's okay, right? We'll know it. Stop break even, start trailing. All right, so we're all clear, right? Break of 05, it's a long breakout 05 that we think the price is going to continue to 16. 5, 16, that's 11 points. That's not too shabby, right? All right, short term. Being long, it's having a position against the longer term that we believe is going to go to 72. That 72 again, it's in the back burner. Why? Two reasons. One, 16, the trail got weaker a couple of minutes ago because we have a new rotation right now. And number two, we know there is a phantom bullish move. So that 72, my friend, it's in trouble. Okay, no problem. Okay. Why? Because we're long right here. 05, the break of 05, expecting the price to go to 16. Is it going to go to 16 guarantee, Mystic?
Of course not.
Of course not, but already went to 15, right? No, 13, 12, 13. We're going to have some chop here. So, in our mind, we need to understand the following. Short term, we're long of the break of 05, which we all knew it, right? And then longer term, we're expecting, because remember, we need to know not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. How it's going to get there is the most important thing. That's the only way that you're not going to get shaken out by the smart money. So this is how we think it's going to get. And we'll watch it. And let's see if what we think is exactly what's going to happen. Breakout of 05 is going to continue to 16. That's 11 points that we're going to make there. We know that being long is a counter trend, but we're okay with it because we're taking advantage of the momentum. Price go to 16. It's going to recoil right there. It needs to be destroyed for we to completely dismiss the longer term to 72. And we are already long 05, right? So we just manage that one. We have to see how the price is going to break the 16. Clean break. It'll go to 27 by way of 20. right? Isn't that what I
That's
said?
exactly what you said, yeah.
All right, so it's just a matter of how strong are you in your conviction and following the system that you have already decided. There is nothing like this. Well, let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new key level, and it's 10. As long as the price is above 10, right? Remember what we said. Price is gonna go to 16. It's not gonna take it. It goes to what, 18, right? And then it has to come back to G. Is that 16? Exactly. So it's gonna dance around here. What's our job? Is to figure out. All right. So what's gonna happen next, man? All right. Yeah, sure. Of course, we're all sure right here, 17, 18, right? Because remember that we need to know that now we have 10. Price needs to take 10 for this sure 17, 18 to develop. Right now, make no mistake about it, it is the bulls in control as long as the price is above 10. The breakout 05 is the main play, and is the trade that it's short term, of course, and it's the trade that that is in command. There's no question about it. The taking of 10 then turns around the command of the action, give it back to the bears, short 17, 18, and then our job is to let it ride all the way to what was it, 72 or something like that. Now it's not gonna be easy because we know that taking, okay, we know that the price is not easily gonna take off 5. Let's see how's your endurance. You know what I mean? Which is funny because everybody talks about momentum. Yeah, nobody knows how to measure it. We do. All right, so make no mistake about it. That break about 5 among 3 more other stuff, and especially the phantom bullish move. That's how we measure momentum. And the tie and the tempo is totally bullish. All righty? Okay, so price goes 05, give us 18, that's 12 points, right? Pretty good. And we knew that this area right here was going to stop the price call just like it did. Remember when I said mistake? Hey, listen, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. And then I said, well, let's see if the price is going to do exactly what what our system says.
And it absolutely did.
Is it doing exactly what I say it was going to do?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Just
All right.
checking.
Just checking. So it's up to you, if you're strong enough to do what your system tells you that what you have to do. It's called discipline. Is it called discipline?
It is.
Okay. So a trader without a discipline, is he ever gonna make it in this business?
Of course not.
An emotional trader, is he ever gonna make it in this business?
Nope.
A scared money trader, is he ever gonna make it in this business mistake?
Nope.
You don't have to answer. Don't worry about it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. We do this every day, so I'm sorry if I sound a little bit arrogant, right? A mistake. We do this every. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I know it's unbelievable that not only we know exactly where the price is going, but how the hell it's gonna get there. I know it's hard to believe until you see it with your own eyes, and that's why I always say, if it's not live, it's not real. We're the only trading room in the world that do this. Not that that is profitable. Who knows? It's the only room in the world that trades live, real time, and tells all the members exactly what the price is going to do, how it's going to do it. That's my job, right?
That is
Your job is, well, let's see how strong you are, how's your discipline, how's your everything else, so that you can, so you do whatever you want. You want to go long, you want to go. I'm going to tell you what the market's going to do, and then you do, and then you do whatever you want, right? You do whatever you want with that information. It's simple. It's not complicated. So I don't have to show you a Lamborghini I don't have to show you a Lamborghini. I don't have to show you all the crap that all these fake gurus out there, especially those that don't do alerts, right? They piss me off. Right? Because they're so full of crap. If somebody tells you, we're a room and we're going to give you the fish. That's what they say. Oh, no, we're going to teach you how to fish. We're not going to give you the fish. If you're looking for a fish, don't come here. Don't subscribe. Don't pay me the $300 that I charge. $300, garbage. All right. All right. Yeah, they're going to get a can of tuna. Well, you know what? We are totally different. I'll give you the fish. You know? That's it. I'll give you the fish. So when you are in one of those pathetic rooms where they tell you that they're not going to give you the fish, that they're not going to give you that, no, we are educators. You know, we're going to educate you. You know? Tell them, hey, listen, while you educate me, give me the fish. Right, Mystique?
That's it.
I wouldn't mind. Hey, listen, you're going to educate me? Well, in the meantime, give me the fish.
Yeah,
You know? So that I can pay for your BS, pathetic chat room. Because we know that it's not a trading room. It's a chat room where they chat. Whatever. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so, concentración. Right, ladies and gentlemen? Consumer sentiment just went out. Boom! Who's in control, baby?
You are.
Look, '05. What did I say 2 minutes ago? '05 is gonna fight it. We know the phantom trend, do we not? The phantom of the opera, ladies and gentlemen, is there. Look at that. Know exactly what happened. Everybody logged '05, right? Those of us who are short right here, 17, 18, we logged '05, right? We logged, what, 12.5, 15, 17, we logged 12 points, and that's why it had to bounce. And we, in addition to the consumer sentiment release, right? And then we still in this chop, 5, 16, 17, 18, right? So what do we have right now? We are short here. We have 2 more units, expecting the price to take the '05 and give us, where is 72? Well, anyway, so you know, it's right there, right? Right, for the short. And this long right here, remember that the break of '02, the short-term play, is not being invalidated. Still going, right? But we knew it wasn't going to easily take 16, but we are conscious of it, right? So we have to be careful because we know that a king of 16, it'll go to 27 by way of 20. But the longer term, those of you who want to ride this baby all the way to 72, what are we doing now? Managing the 17, the 18 short, and expecting the price to eventually take the '05. We know that it's not going to be in a straight line, but that's what we are expecting, right? So when the price breaks '05, the short-term '05 long gets invalidated, right? And then the short gets stronger and stronger. And remember that our system low is 93. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen at 93? It's our system's low. What do you think is going to happen there? It's support. It's not going to be taken easily on its way to 72, right? Okay, so price finally decided to break our 10, and I already told you exactly what to expect after the price takes 10. It did, right? We're comfortable riding our baby exactly, you know where.